Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through to make Capcut 4K quality tutorial. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To create a 4K video using Capcut, start by opening the app and selecting your clip. Begin by adjusting the basic visual settings to enhance your video's appearance. First, navigate to the Adjust menu. Set the brightness to 20 to slightly increase the light in your video. Next, adjust the contrast to 18, adding depth to the colors and making shadows more pronounced. Following this, tweak the saturation to 12 to enrich the colors without overdoing them. For brilliance, set it to 13 to subtly dim the overly bright areas and give your video a balanced look. Increase the sharpness to 70 to enhance the detail and clarity, making the visuals pop. After adjusting these settings, go to the Effects menu. Select Video Effects, then navigate to the Lens category. Apply the soft effect and set it to 25. This will add a gentle, pleasing blur, giving your video a polished and professional finish. Finally, export your video. These adjustments should help you produce a vibrant and sharp 4K video that stands out. To further enhance your video and achieve a 4K resolution, you can use the Wink app. Begin by opening Wink and navigating to the AI Repair feature. This tool will allow you to increase the resolution of your video. Once you're in AI Repair, select the option to increase the resolution and set it to 4K. After setting the resolution, click on the Auto option. The app will automatically adjust the video using artificial intelligence to improve quality and detail. You'll immediately notice a significant improvement in the clarity and sharpness of your video. To finalize the process, click on the AI button after the adjustments are made. This will apply the enhancements to your video. Finally, export your enhanced video from Wink. You now have a beautifully edited and upscaled 4K video, combining the adjustments from Capcut and the resolution enhancement from Wink. So that's basically to make Capcut 4K quality tutorial. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.